On this planet of 8 billion people, कुछ words है जो कि हम कुछ जगहों पर नहीं बोल सकते, like the N word in America, the word to certain people, and the most famous word on an airplane. इस वीडियो में I'm flying across the country to see what happens when I say the word on an airplane. Alright, so June 2021. I was enjoying the scenic views of Mumbai. 2 months later, I was chilling on the beaches of Goa. And now it was December, the month of holidays, or इस समय every Indian wants to be at just one place. And just like every other Indian, मेरा भी plan was all ready. यार इससे पहले snow या snowfall real life में मैंने कभी नहीं देखी है. And yes, it was time for a completely new adventure. Time for Manali. आज है 21st of December. कल यानी कि 22 December, I am leaving for Manali. Okay, so see, Pune to Manali there is no direct transport. So instead of this entire trip being like this, it's going to be something like this. All set, bags packed. Next day early morning flight थी, but एक रात पहले उस excitement के साथ सोना becomes next to impossible. Excitement level 999999999.
Hey hey चलो ना ढूंढे शहर एक नया जहाँ मुस्कुराहटें हैं बिखरी
6:17 right now, 7:30 को flight है, so there's one more hour until boarding. और हाँ, sun is about to rise now, so hopefully एक perfect time lapse आ जाना चाहिए.
जहाँ मीठी बातें हर एक अजनबी से हो.
एंड उस सब के अलावा सबसे कॉर्नर में आता है ये एरिया जो कि एकदम परफेक्ट टाइम पे ले लिया. ओके, एग्जैक्टली 7 बज चुके हैं. 7:30 इज द टेक ऑफ. प्रॉपर सनराइज देखने नहीं मिला, बट एनीवेज 10 minutes more and I could have captured the sunrise, but अब time to catch the flight. Boarding gate एक फ्लोर ऊपर था, नीचे तो बस टाइम लैप्स लेने आया था. And yes, it was time to finally board the flight. On a flight, saying the word bomb is not allowed. Let's see what happens. Bomb bomb, वो bomb डिगी डिगी bomb bomb गाना है ना. Bomb डिगी डिगी bomb bomb. ज़ार bombs खत्म है हमेशा. ज़ार bomb. No doubt I was having a great time except the lady sitting behind me.
बोलते लिखो लिखो इसमें सुबह का नोट्स लिखो.
8:28 right now. 9:30 landing. 1 hour to go. बहुत ही boring. Since 1 घंटा बचा था, I decided to take a short power nap. थोड़ी देर बाद जब मैं उठा, I saw that it was time for us to land at our first destination from Pune to none other than New Delhi. Alright, finally landed in Delhi. Mini bus में बैठ गए to reach the arrival gate, but all this while, Sallu bhai was watching me because ऊपर वाला सब देखता है. दिल्ली की एक अलग ही vibe है. Felt good to be back at the motherland after a long time. And now it was time to head to the hotel. Alright, 10:47 right now, finally in the hotel. पर अभी और 25 minutes लगेंगे रूम मिलने के लिए. Waiting. This hotel has a problem every single time. Oh, 1.5 hour wasted. Alright, here we are in New Delhi. And yes, this is how it is. वो कोई तो highway या कुछ. And yeah, that is pretty much it. So yes, Pune to Manali it is, but उसके बीच में this is the first stop. फिर कल कहीं और, परसों कहीं और, and then finally in Manali. Okay, but no time pass right now. सिर्फ आज का दिन है that we have in Delhi. It's 12 PM right now. जो 2 घंटे लॉबी में वेस्ट हुए, that's gonna matter a lot. Time to explore Delhi. Time to leave. Okay, there is literally no time to waste. But जाने से पहले there is one big problem. This. And his name is John Cena. Shit. ऑलमोस्ट आधा दिन वेस्ट हो चुका था, सो देयर वाज नो मोर टाइम टू वेस्ट. जल्द से जल्द एक कैब बुलाई और हेडेड टू द नियरेस्ट मेट्रो स्टेशन. सारे स्टेशंस फिगर आउट करने के बाद इट वाज क्लियर कि मेट्रो जो है वाज गोना मेक द ट्रैवल मच इजियर फॉर द एंटायर डे. Delhi food is the best. पर अब उसे डाइजेस्ट करने के लिए went to the nearby popular Delhi markets. And उसके बाद the very famous बांग्ला साहिब. पैर लिटरली फ्रीज हो चुके थे, ऐसा लग रहा था जो फ्लोर है वो माइनस टेम्परेचर में होगा. एंड ऑल्सो अंदर शूटिंग अलाउड नहीं थी, बट कैसे ना कैसे थोड़ा हो गया. थोड़ी देर में सनसेट भी हो चुका था. नाउ इट वॉज लुकिंग इवन बेटर. बट इट्स Delhi. Food has to be the number one priority. 5 minutes later to go to do again the very famous Jain chawal wale. Rajma chawal, chole bhature, oh boy. And just like that, the Delhi streets got busy again, and now it was time to head back. Oh boy, it was a long day.